louder. I think that's the problem.
Oh, I do talk loud.
Because I can never hear you in these.
I'm sorry. I will start talking like this from now on.
That's better.
So that the camera can pick it up. Please continue.
Okay, we are in the car. Shocker.
Yeah, in the car to go get Chick-fil-A.
Yes, we're getting Chick-fil-A because I literally woke up saying I want Chick-fil-A.
Yep, that's the first thing she said to me this morning was Chick-fil-A.
What's with the sarcasm?
There was no sarcasm. That's actually what you said to me today.
Yep, so we're getting Chick-fil-A and then we're going grocery shopping.
Yay,
and
grocery shopping. I love grocery shopping.
it's going to be a hefty grocery shop too.
A hefty grocery shop because we got to go to BJ's and Wegmans.
Can you calm down?
I am calm.
Oh my god. But we didn't go grocery shopping last week, so we have to go grocery shopping this week. So it's more than we would usually buy because we have no food. Like, literally no food.
We have food. She just doesn't like any of the food that we have.
We have snack food. We don't have any food to, like, make dinner.
We have noodles. She just doesn't like having noodles.
I'm so over you, Dubai.
I got lemonade.
Oh my god.
No ice. Because ice is gross. And you get a lot less. Got a veggie wrap. Look. Veggie wrap. It's got beans and corn and cheese and lettuce and cucumber and tomato and carrots. Make sure it has carrots because, you know, that doesn't have meat in it. Avocado lime ranch because it's the only ranch dressing I like. Ooh, she's hooking up with the Chick-fil-A.
Really?
I got 3.
Oh, girl.
That's good. 3 Chick-fil-A sauce.
Chick-fil-A sauce is the best
It's the best Chick-fil-A sauce ever.
Yeah.
I agree. Chick-fil-A sauce is the best Chick-fil-A
Okay.
sauce. Oh, I'm holding yours too?
Well, I was going to give you the camera.
Oh, okay.
You just covered the camera.
All
Okay.
right.
So then we've got our fries. One for me, one for him. Which one do you want?
Got that one.
Of course you want that one. This one has literally, they skimped so hard.
Oh my god.
Anyway. And then I got, what is it? Spicy chicken something deluxe.
No, not something. Just spicy
Ooh,
chicken deluxe.
Look at that shit. Yummy. And then he put the Chick-fil-A sauce on the sandwich.
That's how most people do it.
Mm.
I don't think people need to be told. But yeah. So, that's what we got. Now we're gonna eat. Goodbye.
Okay.
I pinched myself. I'm sorry.
We literally just recorded this clip, but you couldn't hear because of the heat in the car.
Well, it was the fan.
The fan, whatever. Anyway, we just got done grocery shopping. Wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's about our normal, and we literally, because we literally bought double the amount of food for not too much extra money, which is great. So we're going to do a grocery haul so we can show you what we eat as a family of 2. This is about, I would say this food's gonna probably last us like a week and a half-ish. Because we bought.
We buy a decent amount.
Whoa!
So many people.
We're at McDonald's. We're gonna get a Shamrock Shake and look at this.
Right?
Oh my god. Guys,
Right. We're
that's
in it for the long haul again.
mental. I mean, we could go in.
We could go in.
I'm not gonna go in. Okay, so
Then why'd you say anything?
I don't really know. Yeah, so yeah, we're in it for the win it. That's what they say. In it for the we win it to in it. What is it?
In it to win it?
In it to win it. That's it. Not in it for the win it.
I was like, what is she talking about?
Yeah.
But that's what she was talking
So
about.
Shamrock Shake, Imani's first time, ready to go. Let's do this. Okay, so we just spent how long?
Too long. Way too long.
Yeah, too long. At the drive-thru McDonald's, but Imani is going to try his Shamrock Shake.
It's so green.
Yes.
Like, it looks nuclear. Like, if I drink it, I'm going to be irradiated and I'm going to click like a banana.
What?
Bananas click with the Geyser counter.
Okay.
You know the things that touch radiation?
No. Okay.
Anyway, okay. It's really big.
Yes. I don't think.
Not as minty as I thought it would be.
Really?
Yeah, there's like another, like a limey flavor. Is there lime in this?
No, it's mint.
It's only mint? It's not like super minty like I thought it would be.
This is a Shamrock Shake. 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10.
No, 1 out of 10.
Oh, I thought you were.
No,
You
I
give
give
it
it like
one
an 8
out.
out of 10.
I'd give it a 7.
Okay.
It's middle of the road. It's okay.
So if you were driving around your hometown, like you did, and got this, would you be disappointed that that's what you
I
went
mean,
for?
with how much effort I put into getting to it. Because apparently in Northwest Florida, they don't sell Shamrock Shakes. It was literally St. Patrick's Day, and I could not find a Shamrock Shake anywhere. So, yeah. But yeah, it's okay. Not the best, not the worst. Just doing its thing.
So good.
Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. All right. So,
Grocery haul. I'm gonna try not to go too in depth because nobody really cares that much, but I like seeing grocery hauls, and this is a decent one. So, first thing we got is some applesauce pouches because I'm a child. Then now this is like smoothie stuff because Imani bought me a blender for Valentine's Day. So, yeah. So we've got some Dole mango chunks. So this is all like frozen fruit. So my thought was to do like mango and that, like as a base, and then get mixing thingies.
mixing thingies. Yep,
we got
I think that's the official term.
Dole mango chunks, and then just our grocery store's frozen fruit. This is the cranberry blend with cranberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. Sounds really good. And blueberry pomegranate, which is blueberries and pomegranate. So
Which is just delicious.
it just sounds so good.
All the antioxidants.
Yes. And then in here, just some ginger ale and some sparkling, well, technically grape juice, but it's apple and pomegranate flavor. Eggs. Just large eggs.
Are they cracked? Hopefully not.
This one has a little bit of a crack.
Yeah.
That's fine. Imani didn't check the eggs.
Yeah, I forgot to check. I'm sorry.
It's okay. And then here's our produce. We tend to not buy too much produce. We usually buy
we don't
frozen or like, I don't know,
'Cause we
just
don't
ready-made
eat fast.
stuff because he works and we don't eat fast enough.
We
So
could probably start freezing it.
that's true. So some baby spinach,
Hey, recipe.
some triple washed romaine salad
Because she doesn't like fresh spring mix.
No, I don't. I don't like the arugula and stuff. It's just not my thing. Here we have some grapes, which I'm gonna freeze and put them in the freezer. This is a huge broccoli head.
I didn't know what size.
It's
and
huge.
And you left.
It's gigantic. Hold on.
It's literally as big as your head.
That's huge. And some mini seedless cucumbers. We usually get just the big cucumbers, but last time I was the only one who ate it, so I'm just grabbing these mini ones so I can just eat it myself. I don't know. And then in here,
Oh, nice.
this looks like sauces and some other things. So this is the Kikkoman
Lord.
soy sauce, because I love soy sauce. And then 2 jars of vodka sauce, because it's my favorite pasta sauce.
And they also.
It's like flavor enhancers for water. This is iced grape acai by Stir liquid water enhancer. And these are just some lemonade on the go packets from Crystal Light. I didn't have regular lemonade, but pink lemonade will do just fine. And then my bougie toothpaste.
You want to know how much that toothpaste costs?
$7.
$7 for that tiny tube of toothpaste.
I didn't know it was this tiny, to be fair. But this is the Crest Gum Detoxify Gentle Whitening Toothpaste.
They'll last you like 3 years.
It's kind of cute.
It's cute. It's a bottle.
I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. There's something about this toothpaste that I really like. I don't know.
Yeah.
And then here,
I would hope so.
some orange juice. We like pulpy orange juice in this house, so we get the extra pulp in our orange juice. Yum. And we always buy 2 orange juices because the 2 of us go through orange juice. And then in here are just fruit and grain bars. I've got an apple and a blueberry fruit and grain bars. There are regular store version of like the Nutri-Grain bars, but they were on sale, so gotta grab the cake. So these are the Tyson Anytizer boneless
Chris,
chicken.
you can't eat the cabinet, sir.
Boneless chicken bites. These are the buffalo style ones. And then, oh my, Chris, go this way. Ow!
Did he catch you with his nail? Chris!
Bud, no thank you. Oh,
Did he
and
bite?
he bit me.
He nipped at you? Hold up. I got him. I will get him. Here, keep hauling. You got this. Chris, sir.
I don't know what to do.
Hi.
What? Oh, jeez. After that brief interlude, some onion pierogies, because we love pierogies.
Doesn't.
And honestly, they're really good in the air fryer. The edges get really crispy, and it's really good, I think. And then, we love peanut butter in this house. We have 2 big jars of peanut butter. We've got 2 of these Honey Roast Creamy Peter Pan, and we've got a big jar of crunchy peanut butter because I love crunchy peanut butter. And oh my god. And then a thing of salsa con queso. Did I get the wrong one?
That's the right one.
Okay. Because queso. Self-explanatory. And then, ooh, last but certainly not least, this is like the junk food. We didn't buy a lot of junk food this week, so that's pretty good. We've got some waffles, home-style waffles, because I love waffles. If I have a little bit of extra time in the morning, I'll throw these in, like, before I go and take them with me.
You just eat them without syrup?
Some yogurt for my smoothies. I might make a smoothie.
Oh, okay.
What?
You're good. Nope, that was me.
What?
Nothing.
Okay.
Keep going.
I might make a smoothie. What do you think?
Yeah.
What did you do?
I gave you a close-up.
Lovely. And then I bought some coconut mango. It says ice cream, but it's
sherbet.
Sorbet. It says swirls of coconut ice cream with mango sorbet. I don't know. Sounds good. I like coconut and mangoes. And Imani bought some vanilla chocolate crunch ice cream.
Just in case you want ice cream too.
Yes, we always have ice cream in our house. So, hello. Hello. Yes, it's cold. We're on our way to the car. We're going to pick my mom up. And we're going to go see Isn't It Romantic? Imani doesn't even want to see it. But he's outnumbered. Oh, my hair looks kind of wavy. But yes. And I like the lighting out here better than in the car. So that's why I'm doing this now instead of later. I know. So yes.
Going to get pizza.
Yeah, and we're going to a restaurant called Hooligans. It's like a bar and grill. Because Imani wants a specific type of pizza. So that's like the only place we can find that has it. So yes. Yay. Okay, hi guys. It's currently Wednesday night at like 11:15. I didn't end the video because it seems to be a common theme with us. So I'll go through all this stuff now. If you like it, give it a like. If you didn't like it, give it a like anyway, because we like nice people here. Comment down below. Subscribe. I'm probably forgetting something, but that's all I can think about right now. This video should be up tomorrow morning. And hopefully I'm going to be recording tomorrow. But yes, yeah, like I said, do all the things, and we will see you guys soon. Bye.